the basmati rice in 2 glasses of milk. Along with the milk for up to 2 cooker whistles. Now add milk and cook over low flame until the rice becomes soft and mushy. Condensed milk, you can also adjust the sugar according to your taste. Keep stirring at regular intervals. The rice has become soft. You can see the consistency. Now at this stage,